and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to transfer money from Visa gift card to Cash App. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, you cannot directly transfer money from a Visa gift card to Cash App. Instead, you can simply use Visa gift card to load funds onto a PayPal or Venmo account and then transfer those funds to your Cash App balance. So for this, you can simply link your Visa gift card to your PayPal or your Venmo. Once this is done, you can simply load funds into your PayPal or Venmo using your Visa gift card. Now, transfer funds from PayPal or Venmo to your Cash App. Alternatively, you can also use a third-party app like GCX and different kind of services to purchase your Visa gift card for a percentage of its value, allowing you to receive cash in exchange. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.